Hey guys, it's Kelly. I have a quick haul for you. I made some purchases. So let's go ahead and look at the Oh Hello first. It comes in this little envelope just like this, and it's sealed. Of course, I've already looked to make sure that my address and all that stuff was out of here. When you open it up, it becomes this beautiful poppy. Poppies are really important to Kayla. She's always loved poppies, and they've just kind of been a part of her life. I've already bent back my sticky part on my little cello bag so that it won't grab my stickers. I saw this kit. Now, I am subscribed to them for their monthly thing, and I had skipped a month, but I went back and I did purchase this. This is so precious. This is the freebie, and it is so cute, and I think this is cute that she has a little thing here where you can put down their to your anniversary and their whoop sale. Just so cute. And her name of her shop is a sticker also, so I'll put that on my planner that I got it today. So I really like that. I fell in love with this, and I got these in matte, and then I got them in glossy. I chose to add an order of these to my kit because I think they are so cute that I felt like that I could use one of them in another spread and then use this one in this spread. So I'm going to put the matte ones to the side, but they are so very cute. Let me show you what they look like in glossy. It's just, they're the cutest ever little animals, and the pumpkins and leaves. Of course, I love the mushrooms. Alex does all of the designing, so anything you get from Oh Hello, it's going to be unique. You're not going to have found it anywhere else. They do not purchase clip art. He actually designs and creates everything, and it's so unique and so beautiful. I just love it. And these little animals, this little bear, he almost like he has a little stitching on his sides. So cute. Okay, here are my littles, which are great. I love this color scheme. Perfect for fall. The addition of this green color, I'm not really sure what you would call it. It's not a seafoam green. It's just a pale green. It's a nice warm tone green. I just really like it. But anyway, there are my littles along with a few of like what you would use for your sidebar headers. And here we have the beautiful full boxes. These are so pretty. I love the pattern, the mushrooms, the acorns, the pumpkins, and the colors are so vivid and bright. I just love it. They always have great items. Here are my ombre heart checklists, and I like her hearts. I like the way they kind of come down into a deep point like that. We have the rest of our headers here. These color schemes are beautiful. We have some half boxes and some appointment boxes, and I'm hoping that what I can do now that I have a personal planner, I'm hoping I'll have some of this stuff left over and I can do a fall spread in my personal planner. And since I have extra stickers too, that'll help. So here we go with our, I guess, functional sheet, but it's the picture or word functionals. And I mean, these are so cute. And then here at the bottom, you have appointment boxes, habit trackers, and it says bill due on each of these. The weekend banner is in that pretty green. The color scheme was just an excellent choice. I think it's so very pretty. Okay, and this is the washi sheet, which has some more headers on it, along with some bottom washi and some regular washi dots and teardrops. It's just such a pretty set, guys. If they still have it available, I would absolutely say go grab it because their stickers are always perfect. You will never have to worry about anything from their shop. Everything I've ever gotten from them, and of course I follow them on all their social media, and they're just generally great people. I really like Kayla and Alex a lot. I don't know them personally, but I just, you know how you get that vibe that people are really good people? I think they're good people. Okay. The next thing I ordered was I placed an order with Pop Fizz paper. Now, the owner of this shop, Danny, is actually my friend. I adore her. She is so sweet. And I ordered this right here. And it comes with, I've already opened everything up just to make it quick for the video, but this is I don't know if you can see very well, but it has, it's like a watercolor with ships on the water. Let me show you what I mean. If I can peel it up. Okay. There it is up close. I'm going to put it down here so you can kind of see. It's a beautiful, it's got pinks, purples, and blues with the ships on the water. I have a special connection to the water. I can't really explain how I feel about the beach adequately. I have this connection to the ocean that it does something for my soul. And I also have a special place in my heart for anything nautical because my dad served in the Navy. And I love things that are nautical. So, yeah, I just, when I saw this kit, I saw it a long time ago, but I was kind of waiting until I had the extra money so that I could make, you know, the purchase or whatever. And so, yeah, I finally, this I think was actually part of one of her subscription kits, but I went back and purchased it. This is her card, and it is adorable. I mean, look at these little dots. They're so cute, little foil dots. You know how I am. This is her social media. Take a snapshot of it if you need to, but follow her. She comes up with the best stuff. And then it says, thank you for your order, and it has the thank you code. But this is what I ordered. This is a little freebie, which is so cute, and it tells you, it's a sticker telling you when to order next and all that kind of stuff. I just love this. It's a hint to the next theme. Love, love, love the idea. I'm looking forward to this one because I can just tell that I am going to love this one, the black and white and the beauty related things. So cute. I can't wait to see what's happening. Okay, this is probably the freebie that was meant for this particular set. This cute little backpack, it says free pen with backpack to school kit purchase while supplies last. So there's some back to school related things, and this will actually be perfect for Wednesday of this week. I can put these little decoratives on the day that my son went back to school for his senior year. Yeah, that's perfect for that one day. I love that. Okay. Here we will see the deco that goes with this set. It's a very soft, very pretty. It says, I can't direct the wind, but I can adjust the sails. There's some beautiful deco with lots of different quotes like that. Not all who wander are lost. This little crab, oh, I love him. Let your dreams set sail. Just beautiful. I love this lighthouse. I have a thing for lighthouses too. Okay, so here we have our weekend banner and all of our headers. We have sidebar items along with habit trackers. We have some dots and we have some checklists. I like that she doesn't have hearts on this. I think the circles look better because of the nature of the kit. I think maybe the hearts might have taken away from this kit. So I really appreciate that it's, you know, dots to check off instead of hearts or whatever. We have a few little decorative flags right here, which are really, really, really cute. I love this color scheme. It's just so pretty. Okay, this color scheme is probably what I guess drew me. And then I saw, this is washi. This is all your washi. But those anchors, oh my gosh, I just fell in love. And the sailor knots, oh my gosh. Bill dues, a payday. We have our 7 days of hydrate. We have lots of appointment boxes. For some reason, appointment boxes are becoming one of my favorite things to use. I'm not really sure why. But we have the regular size, and then we have the little ones, and these will be great in my personal planner. I can't even note, epic fail, not today, plan, and of course,
since there's a sticker here with her name, her shop name, I am going to use that to put in my planner to show that I got my order today. We have an incredible amount of dots, but mostly icons. There's little dots ever so often. I love having so many icons in such a color range. Just love. And I like that she includes more than one of each thing, because I mean, let's face it, guys. I mean, I take the trash out more than once a week, and I go buy groceries more than once a week, so I really love that. Here we have some decorative half boxes. They have the design in the background, and these are really cool. They're half boxes that have the flag on them. That would be really great. You could actually write the time on there and then put there what you need to do. This color scheme is gorgeous, but guys, look at this bottom washi. Oh my gosh, I can't even. I mean, I love this. When I saw it, I was like, okay. And so I put it on my favorites list. I've got a little notebook that I keep of things that I want to order. And I thought, oh, I hope she still has it when I'm ready to order. This is gorgeous. I love it. Anchors, they're just, there's also a Bible verse, about being the anchor to your soul. And it does mean a lot to me in so many different ways. But to see these 3 heart checklist boxes and some little flags here that are great. But yeah, I just can't explain how I feel about the ocean in words. These full boxes, of course, again, are beautiful. The little life preservers are so very cute. You have the sailor knots here, and then they're really small and part of the background here. The little anchors, again, guys, the boats, the water, oh gosh, I don't know what to say. And here we have our heart checklists, which are the full box heart checklists. And I love these. I love how they have this color around each one. And so they're separated. Just beautiful, Danny. I love your stuff. I've been wanting to get on board with your stuff for a very long time. And I'm just now doing it, but I'm very excited about it. Well, she also sent me some extras, and I have to share them because there's some of the cutest things in here ever. So let me go ahead and share with you the extras that she sent me, because she's just an awesome person that way. This is so cute. It says Clean Beauty Blender. I just cleaned mine yesterday, and I already need to clean it again. It's so cute. I love being able to note this on my planner. Of course, I started to order some habit trackers, and I didn't. I kind of held off, and now I'm glad I did, because these are so cute, and I love the rainbow colors. Oh, how great. I love these. I love these. I missed these the first time through. The emoji stickers, they are so cute. Right now, I kind of feel like maybe this one, it describes how I'm feeling because of these stickers. We have our little Me Time face mask girls, which are so cute. Shopping bags. Adorbs. I mean, it's obvious, what we're looking at here. But so cute. What a great take on it. This gingham for the, I guess, Bath and Body type product. It's so very cute. I loved this one, of course. Clean brushes. So cute. Love. I love being able to note things like that. And look at these. So cute. They look like little Chanel polish bottles. So adorable. These will be great in my neutral Erin Condren to mark when I'm going to paint my nails. I just love it. And then, of course, we have our weekly spending, and Lord knows I need to be doing these. So thank you for sending these, because I'm going to start using them. I need to get it under control. These are absolutely beautiful. I love this font. I don't know what it's called, but I can tell you that I love it. These weekend banners are going to come in so handy. The colors, I can see them coming in handy for the next few months, and I adore these. This font is gorgeous. Then we have some blank headers, which are always helpful. Some of her rainbow colored half boxes that have the little flag in them. They are awesome. And then we have the plain ones. And my favorite part is they have a square corner and not a rounded corner. Love these. Danny, you spoil me, and I love you. Thank you so much for everything you sent. I can't be more happy, and I absolutely love the things you sent me. And of course, I love my order from Oh Hello as well. But yeah, Danny, you didn't have to do that, but I thank you so much. It was just awesome. Guys, you need to order from these shops because their stickers are absolutely perfect. Everything about them, you know, they're cut beautifully. They're so colorful, so bright. They have so much to offer in their shops. And yeah, guys, I just think that you would really enjoy an order from them. And yeah, so a thumbs up from me. And if you would, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. So you can do that by hitting that red button, whichever way it is. But hit that red subscribe button and click yes for turning on notifications. And then it'll let you know every time I upload, and you can watch my next video. So I just want to say thank you to my subscribers. I'm up to like 210 now as far as my subscriber count, which I'm just so excited about. And yeah, so I appreciate you, and I appreciate your support. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. I'm out of here. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, it's Kelly. I have been to Michael's. I want to kind of do a quick haul for you. They have all of their floral stems and other things on sale, 40% off. So I just got this that's in this little paper basket or whatever. It's got the styrofoam in it. And what I'm going to do is I bought some extra stems, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of thicken it up some. And then I'm going to use this or whatever, which was all 40% off also. So I got that. Then I got some lights. It's just a 100-strand light for the balcony for, you know, Halloween. I got some more of my Recollections tape runner, which I really thought that I needed to have. And then I got tons and tons and tons of washi. So I thought I would do a haul with you on that. So the first thing I got was, I found this Halloween washi. It's just really, really cute. It's by Recollections, of course, from Michael's. And it is a little bit more of a glammed up Halloween rather than the traditional orange, purple, black, and green kind of thing. And so I really like that. Then all this was 40% off. So I found this. I really liked it a lot. I thought it was really pretty. Let me move this flower and get it out of the way so that you can see. So here we go. I got this one right here. I just thought this was so pretty. Yeah, it is just, I thought because the background is, it's not quite a craft tape, but it's has that look. I love the colors in it. I got this one. I didn't have it, but I have a lot of kits with these colors, so I thought that was a good one to get. I found this one. This is like a street view, like a city map, but I was really getting it for this tape here because it's a road, and I wanted to show on my planner when I take road trips. Then I got this one, which I thought was really, really, really cute and really pretty. Great fall colors, golds and burgundies and wine, and even a little orange thrown in there. So yeah, I did get myself a little bit from Michael's, but I liked that it was all on sale. Now, I did get a few other things. Hang on. Since I'm in the process of cleaning up my beauty room, they had these at Michael's. They had all different kinds, but I'm really girly girl, and I like this. It's got like this really pretty gossamer looking strand in it. It's just really girly. It's just a 6-foot garland, and so I bought 2 of them because I have a really wide window in that room, and I thought these would be cute hanging from the top of the window area. Okay, now that I've got my Michaels haul out of the way, I do have 2 Etsy sticker hauls that I want to show you. The first one is from Simply Watercolor Co. I just fell in love with this for the fall this year, and I always watch her videos, and so she convinced me by using them to make a purchase. Here is the little freebie, which is really cute. The little $2 Tuesday reminder is really neat. I love the watercolor banner. These are really cute. This, if you want to take a snapshot, this is her social media sites. I love to watch her videos, and yeah, so this is my first order from her. This is so cute. It's a deco sheet for, of course, her fall set, and I really like it. The touches for even the bottles or the mason jars say Ball on them, as in Ball brand. That just brings back memories of my grandmother. It had a little banner that says fall here and here. Just really cute. And of course, I love topiaries. I always have. So, in fact, I have one in my house, and so I just think they're really cute. So we have that. Here we have, she gives you some scallops. They're the same exact thing as Vintage Gypsy Road used to do with her kits, and I like that she does it with hers. And this is the bottom washi, the pumpkins and the sunflowers, along with the date covers and a habit tracker, which is so cute. I love this pattern. I love the background. It was so cute. Autumn in the Air. These are the full boxes with some checklists on the side. So cute. And if you look right here, it says thank you really small inside the pumpkins, which is adorable. I think that's so sweet. Here are, and of course, all these are in matte, by the way. I should have said that before, but this is all matte. Here is the ombre heart checklist with this. I love, of course, the wood plank background in any kit is always attractive to me. We have some short lists here, and this will be really helpful because I will use these in my personal planner. Then we have our functional sheet that has our headers, our littles, some circular icons, some more check flags, and the weekend banner, which is so cute. And here we have our half boxes, some washi, teardrops, and flags, and then she has some really cute things here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but it's Happy Meal, Payday, Me Time, Movie Night, Lazy Day, and Date Night. This is such a cute set, and I love how light it is. It's not a real dark, harsh color. I really do like the pale, soft look it has. And yeah, so that's Simply Watercolor. Now, this next set I purchased from Sassy Apple Studio for my girl Candy. She's my girl. I love her. I absolutely love her. And of course, she wrote me a sweet card. She had the same clip art that Scribble Prints Co. had, and I missed out on Scribble Prints Co.'s sale when I saw it the first time. And so I happened to be browsing Candy Shop, and I found that she had the same set, and she was having a sale in her shop. Everything was 50% off. So this is her card, and her new this is her new branding, which is so cute. So cute. Sassy Apple Studio, but this is her social media. You need to take a shot of it, and you need to visit her store because she does a great job. So let's look here and let me show you. This is so cute, and I love her little girl branding on this. This is so cute. But this is the it's just called Fabulous. Yes. It's in glossy, which I ordered. She offers a choice between matte and glossy, and I chose glossy. This is the first time for me to have any glossy stickers from her, so I thought I would change it up and get some glossy because I've been ordering matte. I love this clip art. It is so cute. Busy Being Fabulous. Absolutely. Yes, girl. Yes. Here are our half boxes and appointment labels. I like that these are emptied out in the center. So cute. Are these checklists not adorable? I mean, am I missing something? Are they not perfect? The little check boxes are gifts with a red bow. It's like Sephora threw up, and I'm loving every second of it. I love this. Here are our precious headers. We've got flags with more of these little boxes as the checklist. We've got, you know, sidebar items, extra headers, teardrops, and flags. And we've got the functional sheet. So we've got some square, which I really love. These are square, and they go well with the, if you want to change out a little thing, or if you know, anything like that. These are just awesome. But the rescheduled ones, the icons, I mean, look at this weekend banner. How cute is that? I'm sorry, I had it upside down. Is that not just adorable? I just love it. And she's got the leftovers, the planner, and some beauty things. I love, love, love that this checklist here is a, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a bottle of nail polish that's being spilled. Silver nail polish. It looks like it's spilling out. But it's so cute and has so many great functional things. Okay, here are some more habit trackers, your littles, date covers, and then the dates themselves are bows. I am in love. I am in total love. This right here just shrunk down with 1, 2, 3 and so on top of it. This is your bottom washi. This is beautiful. And of course, Candy, everything she does is perfectly cut. Everything is absolutely beautiful. Okay, then I got, this is called Strut Your Stuff. It's a kit based on peacocks, which is one of my favorite things in the world. I love peacocks. I have peacocks all over my house. But this is the full boxes. The colors are so bright and vivid. They're beautiful. I just love this. It's so pretty. Candy, you did a great job, girlfriend. You always do. And she's reasonable, guys. She's so reasonable. Her half boxes and some appointment labels. They are just gorgeous. These colors are perfect for fall. And look at these little feather checks. I mean, these colors are everything for fall, I think. I mean, I just love this. We have our headers, our checklist, habit trackers, sidebar items, and extra headers. These are so cute. Oh gosh, Candy, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, here is the functional sheet. This weekend banner is so unique, and it has the pattern there. I love all of this. And see, I can use this in my personal planner also, because I like to use the 3 checklist. We have bill dues, we have our dates that we can put in our date covers, all of our littles. These colors are amazing, and just look at this. Just look at this bottom washi. I've got it upside down again. The colors, oh my gosh, it speaks fall to me in such a beautiful way. Love, love, love it. Okay, now I have this one. It's Lily by the Sea. And this is like her little extra that she gives with this set, and I love it. Look at this, guys. It is so cute. And now, mind you, I got all of these half price. She does half price sales all the time. This is Lily by the Sea, so it's like Lily Pulitzer inspired. The elephants down here own me. Love that. So cute. And you know, it's nautical, and I think that that's appropriate any time of year. I mean, I'd like to support our military and our Navy. It just, to me, it's appropriate year round, and I will use it at any time. This would be beautiful, I think, to use in the month of February because of the colors. We have our half boxes and labels. Such cute patterns. Look at these little palm trees. Can you, what, I mean, what can you say? It's just absolutely adorable. Absolutely adorable. I love it. Here are our headers, some flags, habit trackers, teardrops, sidebar. And these navies are so gorgeous. I love navy stickers. I love them. Okay, here we have the functional here with our icons, some 3 palm tree ombre boxes. The weekend banner, again, it's just also cute. Your schedule, reschedule, cancel, that sort of thing. Littles, bills due. Here are the little numbers are inside the scallop shells, so that when you put them on this, is that not just precious? And this is the bottom washi, which I absolutely love this. So, Candy, you have done yourself right again, girl. I just adore your stickers. Thank you so much. And then Simply Watercolor Co., of course, did a beautiful job. I know that I was a little bit scattered with all of the stuff that I got from Michaels and the stickers too, but I hope you enjoyed watching the madness. Yes, guys, I really do appreciate your support, and I appreciate you watching. And I'm trying to do a collective haul, so I really don't know if this is going to be at the beginning or the end or what's going on, but either way, I hope that you give this video a like, and I hope that if you're new to me, you subscribe, because I would love to have you join my YouTube family. And that's going to be it, guys. Have a great afternoon. Bye.